Hey guys, TechRoam here, and today I'm going to show you guys some health tech. This is basically tech that improves your lifestyle or helps your body, and we're going to be checking out two products from Mynt. So the first product is the Mynt cordless Shiatsu massager with heat, and as you guys can see, it's pretty big. So it has four functions. One of the functions is that it heats up when you press it. You can change the intensity and change the direction of the massagers, as well as turn it on, which is what I'm doing right now. The material that it comes with is really soft and really nice with your body. So when you turn it on, you guys can see that the massagers inside basically rotate in the direction. And when you turn on the heat, this LED turns on to show that it's heating up, and after a while, you'll feel the warmth on your back. So what's good about this is that it's cord free, so it can actually work 60 minutes without power supply. So I actually tried it myself and I put it on my shoulder and my back, and definitely it feels really relaxing. It puts pressure on the shoulder muscles, which make you feel really relieved after use. And in terms of price, it's $70 US on Amazon, which I think is reasonable because what you're getting is really worth it. In order to charge this massager, you have this cable on the side, and all you need to do is plug the DC cable in and you're good to go. So next up we have something smaller, which is the cordless Shiatsu massage pillow with heat. So this is basically similar to the one just now, but this one's way smaller and it has this pillow shape. It has the same nice material, it has this flap where you can put your hands in. And all we get here is a button, so all you can do is turn it on or off. You don't have those functions such as changing the direction and things such as that. It is cord free and has this really premium build. The massage is also really comfortable, and it's basically these four massagers that rotate, basically the same as just now, but you can't do things such as increasing the speed. This is mostly designed for putting it on the back when you're sitting down. However, you can always move it to whichever body part you want to have it on. So make sure to check them out. I personally would recommend the larger one because it just really puts the pressure on the shoulders to make you feel really relieved. But if you don't want to spend too much, go for the smaller one, which is $46 US. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.